crew kind of at the same time as I work on the cockpit. So I started by curving and putting on that photo etch piece onto the instrument panel. And as I mentioned last time, I was going to use the heads from the one set of figures and put them on the other one. All right, so took the head off this guy, put it on him, did some trimming, and I think that looks pretty good. Just comparing the two, kind of looking from the side if we can. I think that's going to work. I'll take his head off and put it on this guy over here. Okay, here's those crew members. So I put one on the side there, and then you can see one from the top, and I have them actually each looking in the opposite direction. And there's the other one. So I now at the point where I have everything kind of in their sub-assemblies. I've done everything all the way up to page 8 here, so I've got everything ready to bring together to kind of create that in these various sub-assemblies, but I need to shoot the gray onto there, for instance, to get the gray behind those seats before I put them on, so on and so forth, and then also shoot the insides and top on those pieces, as well as paint those seat belts. Also get the crew ready and painted now that they're basically all ready to go, and then I'll place their arms on when I put them into the cockpit. So I think this is a good stopping point. I'm pretty happy where I'm at, so I'll pick up with painting everything next time. So as always, thanks for watching and happy modeling.